Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not seen me before, my name is Twitter and I make DIY home decor videos. Those videos usually include DIYing, thrifting, refurbishing, and just sometime coming up with my own ideas. So if you like to watch those type of videos, you will absolutely enjoy the content that I've posted on my channel. Don't forget to check out other videos on my channel right after this video, and let me get started with today's video. Today's video is about my favorite IKEA essentials. I live in a rental situation right now, and the apartment is pretty small. And obviously, when you have a place rented out, you probably just don't get everything that you need. Or even though you get furniture, you probably need something to organize your home. So this was a situation I was going through because we moved into a smaller apartment than we had before. There are some things that I had to buy: a few bed sheets, throws, pillows, which I could easily get from Amazon, but I just wanted to give it a try at IKEA. From my experience, I believe sometimes IKEA provides a really good offer, a really good product in terms of cost and the quality. So I decided to check at IKEA before I buy it from Amazon or Temu. I went to the Scarborough location, which is recently opened like a couple months ago, and there's also one in downtown. These two were the smallest IKEA probably I have ever been to. It's like a one floor IKEA. IKEA is basically made depending upon the demographics they have in that area. So this was mostly rental products they were selling. It's also about the downtown Toronto. It's the same thing. So I could pick some products from IKEA that actually works really well. If you're going on a budget, you still want to make it look like a Muji, or if you just want to use it for a really long time, even if you're moving from a different home or apartment, these are the things that you can carry with you no matter where you live. And of course, it's gonna help you survive a little longer if you are owning your own place. It's a video about IKEA essentials, so let's get started. If I ever happen to go to IKEA, I don't miss this section. You usually find this section in the end of the store or somewhere in the middle. So basically, in this section, you will be able to find a reduced priced product. They are usually returned by previous customer under return policy. Some of them are slightly damaged, or sometimes they have planned to change floor model and they have decided to put that things on a sale. Most of the time, you can find really good deals on furniture. With furniture like chairs, couches, a rug, you can absolutely find amazing deals without breaking your bank. So make sure you check it before you proceed for shopping. Scadis is a versatile organizing product, particularly popular for its pegboard design. The Scadis pegboard can be customized with various accessories like shelves, containers, and hooks, which will allow you to create your personalized functional storage solution. It's a popular choice for organizing and decluttering the spaces such as offices, craft rooms, and kitchens. The modular nature of Scadis makes it look adaptable to any different needs, providing a flexible and stylish way to keep essentials within the reach while maintaining its look. Product availability, features, and extension keeps changing at IKEA, so my recommendation is to go to IKEA website before you go ahead and plan any of your DIY or using it. This kit used to called IKEA Fixa before and used to come in orange color box with the same contents as you can see right now. Now they have changed the name to Trixig and it comes in a blue box, and the price has increased by $2. So it used to be $10 before, now it's $12, but it's the contents and the quality is exactly the same. And of course, inflation is understandable, but this toolkit can help you to do any of a DIY with minor changes at your home within like $10-12. And I bet you will not be able to find this kit cheaper than this anywhere else. I've tried on Amazon, I've tried on Walmart as well, but I think this is the cheapest one that I have worked so far, and it comes with great quality. It also comes with different kind of tools that you can use it with, some of the measuring tapes and different things that you can buy along with that. I never understood the idea of having utility carts or utility shelves until I got into this apartment. The apartment that I live in right now, it's pretty small compared to the one that I had before, and I had to organize my space along with that. That's when I was introduced to idea of having utility carts and shelves, because that made my life so much easier. I have one of the utility shelves which I got from Walmart. It's lying around in the corner of my kitchen, and I am actually stacking up all my groceries on top of that because this apartment doesn't have a pantry. So that's my lifesaver. And I've also seen people using that in their walk-in closet for folded clothes, and also in their living room to decorate and elevate the space of having decorated items. This was actually the first section that I happened to hit at IKEA, because this was in the interest of the store, and I that blew my mind off. The pillow covers that I'm seeing right now, they are pretty expensive in Pottery Barn and Western, because the design and the quality that I could see there, it was amazing. Yes, you probably have to buy another pillow instead because IKEA doesn't really have that fluffier pillows. But yes, that's the only thing that you have to purchase. But the pillowcases are amazing quality. And if you know, I make DIY videos for home decor dupes, and I know these are pretty expensive stuff that you can find on some high-end decor website. And look at the throws, the texture, the color, the quality, absolutely amazing. My strong recommendation to check at IKEA before you buy from anywhere else, order from anywhere else, not even on Amazon. Check at IKEA first because they are under $25 and they do amazing job. When you get a rental place, it's not sure that you will get the lamps or not, or probably you just get the proper lightings or not. So for us, when we moved into this apartment, we couldn't find enough lighting, so we had to purchase couple lamps. IKEA has amazing options from basic to the advanced and high-end lamp options. Since the apartment was small, I could not get the large lamps, but these are the lamps that I can see at IKEA right now. Good pricing, $75 to $80. We bought the one which was metal and not so great quality from Amazon. They were like $90, and these are so much better than the one that we bought. And I could spot some really good lamps in $30 or $40 that can actually light up your space really well. And IKEA has some good options. If you want to use your lamp for a longer amount of time or longer period, you can buy the expensive one, that too for like $100. This is a dollar store section of IKEA. I have to tell you that. It's been 3 years I bought this dinnerware and I'm still using it. Not a single plate or bowl is broken, and IKEA has been selling this for years. They are at a dollar store pricing and they work amazing. Dishwasher, hand washed, it perfectly fine when it comes to dinnerware. IKEA has some great options for designs and colors, but I'm not really sure about the quality because I have not used it, but they are more on a pricey side than the white ones. Also some textured bowls, cups, mugs, that also the one that I bought 3 years ago, I'm still using exactly same. Full size mirror, if you try to buy it from Amazon or anywhere, you will not find it less than $150. Even at Winners or Marshalls, you probably have to pay $100 at least. From IKEA, the best part is IKEA has from basic to bougie mirrors. If you can look around, look at those all big, long, full size mirrors. They start from $99 at IKEA, and I could not believe the quality that I could see there. I never got a chance to purchase it, but this was a time I was researching for my YouTube and I could actually spot really good ones. If I happen to buy another full-size mirror, I think my first option would be IKEA. Now, this is not the most essential, but I think it's the major part when it comes to decorating my space. I like to have my living room well decorated with proper necessities, throws, pillows, rugs, couch, TV. So I happened to buy a rug that was like $99 3 years back, but now that I go into IKEA, I see many options. Back then, IKEA did not have much options for rug. I think if you want to have one, you probably have to spend at least $180, but right now we have rug options under $100, couple options for sure, and I could spot few of them. These are the options that I can see for rugs, and they were really great in terms of design, quality, definitely doable. So this, you should check it out at IKEA before you buy even a high-end rug. Check it out at IKEA first and then purchase it. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe onto the channel. That helps me a lot to create my own YouTube community. So once again, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.